Hi, I'm Greg from the White Label Agency. Need to know how to add or change alt text in the WordPress dashboard? This is how it's done. To get started, log in to your WordPress dashboard. If you need help finding how to log in, you can check out our short video on that. Otherwise, once you're in, go down the sidebar to Media. Clicking on this will take you to a list of all the images that are available on your website. Click on an image where you want to add alt text, then on the image page, look for the alternative text box. Add a short descriptive text, then click Update. That's all there is to it. There is another way that can be quicker if you are already actively editing a particular page on your website. Instead of going out of the page and searching for the image in Media, click on the image within the page while you are editing it. A sidebar will pop up to the right, look for alternative text, add the description, and don't forget to click Save. At White Label Agency, we have 100 plus WordPress professionals at your service. If you need a quote to extend your team with a dedicated new member, or want to learn more about how we can assist with your workload, please book a call via the link below with one of our personal account managers. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel.